In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in your Hostinger account, specifically for those using a WooCommerce store on WordPress. Now, we all know how crucial it is to have the right currency displayed for your audience, especially if you're managing an online store with international customers. So, let's dive straight into how you can achieve this effortlessly. If you're using WordPress and have a WooCommerce store set up, it's important to note that changing the currency isn't something you can do directly through Hostinger's tools. WooCommerce handles e-commerce settings independently, requiring a bit of a workaround. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. The easiest way to make this adjustment is by installing a multi-currency plugin. There are several options available, but today I'll focus on two popular choices: Cursey and multi-currency for WooCommerce. These plugins empower you to seamlessly manage different currencies, making it easier for your customers to see prices in their local currency. To get started, head to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to search for your desired multi-currency plugin. Type in Cursey or multi-currency for WooCommerce in the search bar. Once the results appear, simply click Install Now next to the plugin you prefer, and then activate it. This will integrate the plugin into your WooCommerce store, allowing you to configure currency settings. After activating the plugin, you'll need to configure it to enable the currencies you wish to offer. Look for the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard, typically under the WooCommerce tab or a similarly labeled area. Within these settings, you'll have the option to choose which currencies you want to make available to your customers. It's also important to consider if you'd like to enable auto-switching based on your visitor's location. This can be a great feature as it detects where a visitor is browsing from and automatically changes the currency to match. It's especially useful for stores with a global audience. Next, be sure to set your default currency to the one that aligns with your primary market or preference. This is crucial as it determines what your prices will be displayed as by default, ensuring consistency and clarity for your shoppers. It's always a good idea to do a bit of research on which currency is most convenient for your main customer base. And there you have it. By using a multi-currency plugin like Cursey or multi-currency for WooCommerce, you're well on your way to providing a more customized and user-friendly shopping experience. Not only does this enhance your store's functionality, but it also significantly increases your potential customer satisfaction by offering them the convenience of browsing in their preferred currency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.